Hey, I'm Mike, back at Payam Data Recovery for a complex one today. Robert from Annandale sent in a WD My Cloud EX4100, a 4-bay NAS with 4TB drives in RAID 5. One night, all 4 lights went red. Volume failure, no configured volumes. 9TB of family photos potentially gone. Robert got power supply failure alerts and volume failure warnings. He rebooted it twice, then wisely stopped and sent it to Payam. Using his favourite tool, the Atola Insight Forensic, Payam tested all 4 drives. 2 are healthy, 2 had bad sectors and read errors, so he cloned all 4 to fresh, healthy drives before touching anything else. On their dedicated recovery computer, Payam loaded the clones into the UFS Explorer. It detected the RAID automatically, but the partition showed damaged. Red dot, no files visible. After reviewing Robert's notes, Payam suspected he tried to rebuild the RAID through the web interface with failing drives. That can cause severe file system corruption. Good news! After deep scanning and testing multiple configurations, Payam worked out that one of the failed drives had actually died 4 months earlier. By excluding that drive and rebuilding the RAID 5 with the remaining 3, all files appeared. 9TB of family photos, videos and documents recovered in good condition. Here's the lesson. When your NAS shows drive failures, don't try to repair or rebuild it yourself. You might make it worse permanently. Robert was lucky. Payam's 28 years of experience and patience in troubleshooting saved his family memories. If your RAID fails, Payam Data Recovery offers a free assessment. Sometimes the difference between total loss and full recovery is knowing which drive to leave at.